My dream has always been to live in the village. I was living in all the cities studying, but my dream really was to go back home because I realized that there's a shift when we get educated. In 2018, I moved to live with my mom in the village. I started farming with my mom, planting maize, sweet potatoes, and I was selling that with my mother. I wasn't panicking for not getting a job because I felt like I'm doing something, I'm selling and I'm spending time with my mom. I was away for 2.5 years, so I'm able to spend time with her. Currently, I live at Bulungula. I'm working for Viva Con Agua.